I'm going to talk about the combination. One thing about the combination is that they do not care about the order. You may say, yeah, I'm like that too. But it's not the order you're thinking of. The order doesn't matter. Let me show you what I mean by that here. Suppose you got these 4 balls and somebody told you you can take 2 balls with you. Okay, how? Well, you could pick this and go home with it. Okay. So you picked 2 balls, right? As they said. But you could have picked, let me show you, these 2 balls. Now, I hope you say, what's the difference? I'm taking a red ball and a blue ball in either case. And I reply, precisely, they are the same. The reason is the order doesn't matter. It is a red ball and a blue ball. Whether it's blue ball, red ball, blue ball, what do I care? They are the same thing in my pocket, right? So if this is the case, we're talking about combinations. In combinations, we don't care about the order. So, well, then how many ways can we do this? I mean, it's so nice to know the concept-wise that it doesn't matter and all that, but how do I answer the questions? How do I compute these things? Well, I will show you how to do it. This is how you do it. I'm going to take 2 balls with me. And I got to see how many choices I have. Well, when I picked the first one, I got 4 choices. When I picked the second one, I got 3 choices. But if I stop there, I hope you think that, I hope you feel you've seen this before. This is permutation where order matters. So how do we show that we don't care about the order? That we are kind of disorderly people? Then you got to divide it by 2 because we got 2 balls. Technically speaking, it's 2 factorial, but I'm trying not to get too deep into this. So the answer is 12 over 6, over 2 is 6. There are 6 ways to pick 2 balls out of this. Okay. What if you had to pick 3 balls out of this 4? Did I say 6? It was 4. Suppose out of these 4 balls, I'm going to pick 3 balls. Okay. When I picked the first one, I have 4 choices. When I picked the second one, I took one, so there's 3 left in it. When I picked the third one, I got 2 choices. But, whether I pick blue, red, yellow, or yellow, red, blue, or blue, yellow, red, or red, blue, yellow, you get the idea. There are so many ways of doing it. How many? 3. Balls factorial. What is this factorial business? Factorial means you just go down and down and down the number until you hit run. That is, I show you, 3 times 2 times 1. That's what it means. So this 3 cancels, 2 cancels. It is 4. Let me talk a little bit more about factorial. So 4 factorial would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, whatever that is. 5 factorial would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You get the idea. That's what factorials are. Okay, so other than that, let's get back to the combination here. So when you are doing the combination here, you do exactly you would have done for the permutation. And then you got to divide by the number of them factorial. I could give you a whole course on this, but that's not the depth required for this level. So I will stop here. And if you're interested, study the detailed chapter on probability.